welcome to my manual, the advanced video. So in this, we're going to get into shifting, downshifting, stuff like that, rev matching, and kind of what you end up going through after you've been driving manual for a little while. So go ahead and get the car started here. And handbrake's down, first gear, taking off. So one thing, I don't really rev match in the first gear. It's very tough. A lot of cars don't like it. This car definitely doesn't. It's very finicky. Like, I can try it right here. You see it kind of, you can see me bucking a little bit. So stopping, didn't have to touch the shifter because I'm still taking off in first. Second gear, third gear. Alright, let's say I want to downshift the second gear here. Push the clutch in, give it a little bit of gas, let the clutch out. Person behind me riding my butt. I'll give them the beans. Get them off of my butt. Second gear again. A little bit quick, but I shifted into third. Second gear. Third gear. Fourth gear. Downshifting. 2,500 RPM. Downshifting a second, 3,000 RPM. And then that's where I leave it. I don't go back down into first. That's downshifting to do some engine braking. Light turned green. This car is, I'm lucky, I can let off the brake and I don't roll, even though I'm on a hill right now. Being on a hill and feathering the clutch. Now there are some other advanced techniques I can get into, like clutch dumping and launching the car. Like I said before in my other video, I'm not going to do that. There's a whole art to it if you're drag racing and say you're doing autocross and you're trying to take off. With this, it's a front wheel drive car, it's going to spin the wheels. I have no choice. So another advanced tip is hand placement. When I'm trying to pull from third to second, I'm going to take my arm and just pull it towards me into second. If I'm going into third, I'm usually just doing a push motion because the shifter will automatically center itself. You don't really have to do too much with that. It's more of just guiding the shifter into third gear. Fourth gear, I usually take my hand and I pull it towards the back of the car. Your hand placement will help you from misshifting. It's very crucial when it comes to shifting really quick that you have the right hand placement, or else it may cost you quite a bit of money. So going into fourth, just pushing the shifter straight back towards the back of the car. Going into fifth, pushing it towards the right of the car and then up once it goes over. Sixth gear, I usually wrap my hand around it just like this and pull it back towards the passenger seat. So first gear, second gear, third gear, and then I'm cruising. The biggest advice, some people miss third. I know I've put it in the fifth. When you're shifting from second to third, it's not a trying to get it over motion. The car, the transmission, the shifter will automatically center in that aspect. So you don't have to push it over to the right. It should be already going over to the right after you push it out of the second gear gate. So I'm going to finish off this video in kind of a perspective view. So clutch in first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and then this is reverse. There you go, reverse camera comes on. So hand placement first, obviously you're already in first, it's probably where you're going to start when you're racing. Second, grab it like this and just pull towards you. It should fall into place just like that. Third, I always just kind of take it from second and push it. You're kind of more pushing it towards right here, I would say. It's not like a pushing it over into fifth gear, you know, which my transmission's a little bit easier to shift. So third, see how you can hit that first gear gate right there. See, that's first, third. It's very hard to tell because I have a short shifter. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So third, that's usually how I shift it. Some people go like that. I don't recommend it because sometimes you can go into sixth gear just like that. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please hit that like button. Subscribe for more content. Thanks.